Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will read the essay My School. Let's get started. I study in Allied School, which is one of the best schools of Lahore. It has all facilities a good school should have. Well furnished classrooms, laboratories, library and playground. As we enter the school, there is a playground to our left and a small garden to our right. When we enter the building, the principal's room and the office room are to the left and the staff room to the right side. These are well furnished. There are 30 classrooms. Our labs are well equipped. Our library has books almost on all subjects. Our librarian is also very helpful. Our school, like all schools, has a prescribed uniform. We have to wear white shirt and black trousers. In our school, special attention is paid to behavior, cleanliness, and punctuality. The most well behaved, neat, and punctual student is awarded a prize at the annual day function. Our principal is a strict disciplinarian. He takes the help of PT teachers too. If anyone violates the rules and is not in uniform or makes mischief, he gets punishment. But he is fair and loving. He looks into the reasons and guides us. Our teachers are also quite strict. They teach us with great care and daily check our notebooks. They help us when we need, but if we are inattentive and don't work properly, and then we are punished. I like my school very much and I am proud that I belong to it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.